It starts with having clear expectations and realistic expectations as well. So here's what I mean by that. I go by something called the 10-80-10 rule. I mentioned this in some other videos. It goes like this. I heard this on a podcast. It goes like this, that in any organization, including a classroom, you're going to have 10% of the students that are always on point. They're doing great, no problems. You can basically leave them alone and they will succeed. You're going to have 10% of the students that are always going to have some sort of disruptive behavior, right? The 10% of students that are going to be the students that you're going to go home frustrated with, right? And then you're going to have 80% of students that are kind of in the middle. Now, those 80% of the students are going to go one way or the other depending upon the culture of your classroom. Depending upon how you deal with the other 10% will determine what happens with that 80%. So having a realistic expectations, knowing this, knowing that no matter what you do, there's always going to be a handful of students that are still going to give you some trouble, right?